Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to do the cotton candy dance. First, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, keeping your knees slightly bent. This gives you a good base for movement. Next, bring your arms up to chest height, extending them forward as if you're holding a large, imaginary ball. This initial pose sets the stage for the fun, swirling motions to come. Get ready to move. Now let's add the signature swirl. Begin rotating your torso and arms in a smooth, circular motion. Think of it like you're stirring a giant, fluffy cloud of cotton candy. Your arms should lead the movement, with your body following naturally. Keep your feet mostly planted, allowing for a slight pivot as you turn. This creates that continuous, flowing look. To make the dance more dynamic, let's add some leg movement. As you swirl your arms, take a small step to the side with each rotation. For example, swirl right and step right, then swirl left and step left. You can lift your heels slightly as you pivot, adding to the fluidity. The key is to coordinate your arm and leg movements so they flow together seamlessly, enhancing the cotton candy effect. Now let's put all the pieces together for the full cotton candy dance. Start with your basic stance, then smoothly transition into the arm swirls and side steps. Keep a light, bouncy rhythm, letting your movements be fluid and continuous. Don't be afraid to add your own flair and personality. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be swirling like a pro, spreading joy with every move.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.